Are you ready to dive into the world of freelancing without a degree or formal education? Let's explore how you can start your journey today. First, understand that skill-based hiring is on the rise. Employers are increasingly valuing what you can do over where you learned it. Focus on the specific problems you can solve. In the digital economy, your ability to deliver results is your most valuable asset. Next, identify your skills. Are you good at writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management? Know your strengths. Once you know your path, it's time to learn. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer free or affordable world-class courses. Dedicate time each day to enhance your skills. Consistency is the secret ingredient that turns a beginner into a pro. Now let's talk about building your portfolio. A strong portfolio showcases your work and is the only proof of skill you'll need. Start with personal projects or offer your services to friends and family. This initial work forms the foundation of your professional brand. Document your progress and results. Showing how you solved a problem is often more persuasive than just showing the final product. As you build your portfolio, explore freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These are your gateways to global clients. Create a compelling profile that highlights your specific skills and experience. Be clear about what you offer and who you help. When you start applying for jobs, tailor your proposals to each client. Show them specifically how you can solve their unique challenges. Building trust with clients is crucial. Communicate clearly, set expectations, and always deliver high-quality work on time. Ask for feedback and use it to improve. Positive reviews are the currency of the freelance world. Collect as many as you can. Freelancing can be unpredictable at the start. Set realistic goals and be prepared for fluctuations as you build your client base. As you gain experience and proof of work, your rates will increase. Your value in the market is tied directly to your expertise. Many have built thriving careers without formal education. The key to their success is simple: persistence and a commitment to learning. So, are you ready to take the leap into freelancing? Start today, and who knows where this journey might take you. Good luck.